All right, let's create a new document. And as always, we're going to delete the cat. And we're going to name this day 51 dancing name. And then you got to get sprites that make your name. So at least 4 letters. I'm going to do H. You do your name. Not my name. All right, and then what we're going to do first is under events, we're going to say when the space key is pressed, set size to 100%, clear graphic effects, go to the current location, and stop other scripts in this sprite. So we're inside the S here. If I move this over, hit the space key, it goes right back to where it is now. This is looking good. We want to get the size right, clear the graphic effects. Oh, there's one more thing. We got to point in direction 90. Okay, so this is what you want, and then you can copy this over to each other sprite. I'm dragging it onto the A. I'm dragging it onto the Y. All right, so now in H, we need a different location because the H is not where the S is. We want the H location. It's right here. Let's pull this apart, throw that away. Here's where the H is. Let's go to the A. We want to go to this spot. And let's go to the Y, and we're going to pull this apart and go to where the Y is. Okay, so now watch. If I move them all over the place, if I hit the space key, everything goes back to where I wanted it. All right, and then we need to choose 2 backgrounds. I'm going to do the heart, and I'm going to do the light. Okay, so let's look at the backgrounds. Backdrops. So there's one that's blank. I'm going to delete that. And now I've got hearts and I've got light. So light is going to be the default, and hearts is going to be the one that shows up when we start going, when we press the green flag. So I think what I'll do is we'll go back to the backdrop. We'll say when the space key is pressed, switch backdrop to light. So that'll be what happens when we press the space key. So now back to H, we're going to do an event, and we're going to say when the green flag is clicked, we're going to repeat forever. And then the H is going to turn a little bit, turn 1 degree, and move 3 steps. If on edge bounce, set rotation style left, right. So we'll press the green flag. You'll see the H is bouncing around. And if I hit the space key, it goes right back. I'm going to say all around for the H because I wanted it to be when we press the space key, it's there, but otherwise it's going all over the place. Space bar goes back. So you're going to do something different for each letter. So I'll show you another thing you can do. When the green flag is clicked, repeat forever. And you could say change size by 0.5. And actually, this would be bad. Let's do, instead of forever, let's do, well, we're going to do this forever, but inside of the forever, we're going to say repeat 100 times. And then we're going to make a copy of that. And we're going to change the size by negative 0.5. So what this will do, when the green flag is clicked, the A is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And then it's going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. And I think 0.5 is too small. I'll go to 1 and negative 1. But when we press the space bar, everything goes back to how it was. When we press the green flag, see how the A is doing something different than the H. And when we press that, we're good. Let's go to the Y. When the green flag is clicked, we're going to repeat forever, and we're going to say, where's glide? Glide in 1 second to a random position. And then I want to spin around 36 degrees. Sometimes that'll be a full circle. So watch the Y spins around, goes to a random place, spins around, goes to a random place, spins around, and when we press the space bar, everything goes back. Finally, let's do S. By the way, you get to do whatever you want here. It just has to end up all normal at the end. When the green flag is clicked, I want to repeat forever. And this is going to be 100 times. We're going to change the mosaic effect by 5. I think maybe 100 might be too many. Let's do 25. And then we're going to duplicate this and change the mosaic effect by negative 5. And space bar. So let's see. Yeah, it's going super fast. I want to add a little delay in there. Wait in between. Let's wait half a second. And let's do that again down here. Half a second. Actually, we want this inside there. So when I run this now, it's just changing. And I think that's way too many times. I'm going to set it to 5. And also, I want it to get bigger. Change size, set size to 200%. We press the green flag, the S gets bigger. It does this thing, and then it goes back down. When we press the space key, everything's back to normal. The last thing we need to do is in the backdrops, we need, when the green flag is clicked, change switch backdrop to Hertz. So watch, we start, it goes to Hertz, everything's funky, and we press the green flag, we're back to there. So that's that's the assignment. You need to do it with your name, not my name. Thanks.